Buckle down to supersize your business. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here, and this is one of those fun expressions that I like. I definitely think about it for myself. Not that I necessarily say it to other people very often. I'm sure I have, but especially my kids, but not to people in a work or in a business situation particularly often. It's from the 16th century. It dates back, and I need a magnifying glass, of course, to get my details right. A gentleman by the name of Edmund Burke used it and used the version that means to buckle down. And the previous version of this idiom was buckle to, like to buckle something to something else or to attach things together. But means pretty much the same thing. It means to get started, go to work, do some hard work, focus, become serious about a task or something that you're trying to do. Well, of course, we want to be serious about growing and building and supersizing our business. But my question for you today is, how do you go about doing that? How do you personally get serious and get to work and do the things that are maybe the things that have to be done, but that we don't necessarily want to do in order to grow and build and supersize your business? They think that this idiom, and there's a little controversy as to where exactly it originated. They think it could be from buckling up a knight's suit of armor before heading to battle because they're getting prepared and ready to work hard. It could be from traveling trunks. Back in the olden days, traveling trunks had these big giant buckles, and I have a trunk like that, but it was too heavy to show on video, so I didn't bother grabbing it. But I also have a littler suitcase that's a replica of old-fashioned suitcases that have the buckles on them. Again, I wasn't going to dig it out from under my desk to share, but to buckle down something means we're getting serious about it, really going to go to work. We sometimes play in our businesses, right? Sometimes we're serious about them. Sometimes they're hobbies. Sometimes at some point we decide, okay, this is not just fun anymore. I'm going to make something of this particular business. And that's when we buckle down and get serious about creating and building and supersizing our business. So my question for you today is, how do you go about doing that? I know for me, I just start asking questions and I get curious about the answers, and that motivates me and drives me to find those answers and to provide those products and services that help the people I want to help the most for any particular business. Now, I'm a person that's been involved in lots of different businesses in my life. This is one of my favorite signs, and I just put it up there, and that was obviously a mistake about irritating people, because sometimes I do, even people I love and care about. So today, think about and share in the comments below, how do you get excited? How do you get motivated? How do you get to buckle down? How do you buckle down to do the work you need to do to grow and build your business? Share so we can all learn from one another. And I will, of course, be with you tomorrow with another interesting idiom. What does it mean? Where does it come from? And how might you use it to build and grow and supersize your business? I think I needed to buckle down that sign. Have a great day, and I'll, of course, be with you tomorrow.